Hi, it's Mr. Anderson, and we're going to be reading a book this week called Where is My Baby? So, all this week, we're going to be doing activities around this book. I hope you like it. Where is My Baby? By Amy Bin. I am a dog. This is my puppy. I am a horse. This is my foal. I am a sheep. This is my lamb. I am a cat. This is my kitten. I am a bear. This is my cub. The end. That was a fun book. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I mentioned, we're going to be reading this book all this week and doing activities around it. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you later.